What is up, lovelies? It's your girl Kia, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who've been rocking, what's good with you, boo? So today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a tutorial over Doja Cat's Vogue makeup look. She calls this her Icy E-Girl look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's get Doja-fied. Let's get icy on these hoes. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Y'all, let's go ahead and get Doja-fied. Hey. Okay, so the reason I wanted to do this is because 1, it's Doja Cat. 2, it's Doja Cat. 3, it's Doja Cat. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just opening up my snacks.
With my makeup, I color correct. I take this concealer brush. I go into this color corrector. This is by Becca Cosmetics. And then I start to go over the circles. I started doing makeup when I was 13.
Me too, sis. She has Becca. I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX color correcting palette. I'm gonna go in with this red shade here. Place that under my eyes. See, I got some bags too, but it's okay because they Louis, Gucci, Fendi, and Prada. Hey. And to me, Doja has like really clear skin tone. I have some discoloration, so I'm just gonna go ahead and color correct that as well. Hey, they lit today. It's a beautiful day outside, like gorgeous. Get the stairs. A little bit on the sides of my y'all can't hear me when I'm talking like this. Also on the sides of my cheeks as well. Okay, what's next is oh, she's taking a beauty blender. Okay, swallow. Hold on, swallow. Hold on. This jumped right into it. Hold on.
And I use Fenty. 2 pumps of that. But then I do it across my cheeks.
Okay, so I don't have Fenty, but I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in the color Cappuccino. Beauty blender and blend that all over my face.
I just keep building depending on how I feel. I go over my eye, I go over my eyelashes, I don't go over my brows. So I put concealer. I use Fenty. So then I take it and I just make a little bow under my eye. And then I do a little soul patch, like a villain, like a Disney
I'm just
villain.
gonna go ahead and go back in with my NYX, and I'm going to use this shade right here to go ahead and conceal. Blend this concealer out. Whew, okay, we got that all blended out.
CA powder is my daddy. So I go in with my sponge. So then I put that right on my cheeks, just in the center, because I don't like when this is shiny. Everything else can be shiny. And I make sure that all of this is blended under.
Airspun is my daddy. I've been using this Airspun for years. So I'm just going to go back in with that beauty blender and set that concealer into place.
Fine lines. This fluffy eyeshadow brush, like a blending brush, and then I press it
Hold on. Let me get my fine lines. Then she says she takes a big fluffy brush and she just flicks it like that. Flick it like that. Okay. Flick it like that. Flick it like that.
Whatever's kind of left over, swirl that around.
Okay.
Just put that down. Close this. Shake it. I take this and I get a lot on my beauty blender and I just baked and you can see I created a cheekbone. I always contour.
More of my air spun to create that line she just created under her cheekbone. That same big fluffy brush and swipe. She says she uses bronzer to contour, so I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel London's Kate's palette. I love this palette.
Under my chin, I take it down into like my nose, but I start from here, create that shadow. I blend this out. And I get a lot on there too, because I like a lot. Tap it off and just work on the edges, and I bring my blush up. Because I like a high cheekbone, I always make sure it's higher than lower. Because you can go like this and work down here, but that'll bring your face down, make it appear older and longer. But if you work it up, you're kind of creating your own apples. I remember being on Pinterest. I didn't even know what an e-girl was. I just saw these like Tumblr girls who were like super cute and they had like looked like they were sick, but it was like intentional. Like you could see they were wearing a lot of makeup, and I like fell in love with that. So I bid that, and now I do that. I just start packing it onto my nose, and I scrub it. I scrub my nose pretty much.
Oh, okay.
I scrub it on the side.
Hold on, nose.
It doesn't look as pink, but I just work that into my face, and then I like to get a little bit on my lips. Bit of this that Tinashe did, and she puts it on her eyelids. And I'm like, oh, word. And then I take my bronzer and I swirl it around. And I focus on my outer area because it just looks better on me. I'm trying to do it fast for you guys, but this takes me an hour and a half, maybe.
Same.
Drop down and meet. I want that to be generally straight. Then this is my favorite part. I just put a little bit, and honestly, I'm running out, so I'm just gonna put this way.
Right. I'm going to be using my NK Makeup's Perfection highlighter in the color Inca. Let's tickle our nose. Ooh, pigment. Okay, so I'm doing my wing, and she goes in with a black color, but I really like the pink and subtle look, so I'm just going to go in with a really dark brown.
Okay, these are called freck. So I take this and I shake it up, make sure it gets on the brush, and I dot it. I love this stuff because like and then you pick it up, and then you just.
I don't have freck, but I do have brown eyeshadow, water, and a little small pencil brush. You guys see it?
So this is Icy Wifey Cosmetics Chromes. This is just a loose eyeshadow, and it looks like this. But then it goes on like this. And it kind of reflects a blue.
Okay, so I don't have that, but I do have this color here, purple. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to mix that purple and Bomb Ass together to kind of get that chrome-ish look that she had.
For a lip, I can do like an ombre. So I take this sort of deep mauve and then feather that out a little bit. And it should look like that, like you're not really wearing it.
So for the lips, we're gonna line them in a brown.
There's hella glue and it's everywhere. I'm gonna start to curl this right.
This is curling her hair. I'm about to go curl my hair, get cute for my debut. And I will be right back with the final and complete finished look. Oh, I just love this look. It is so, like, it is literally so adorable. Lips. I'm just going to be using this lip oil, simple clear lip gloss. My hands look like this, so my face can look like this. Let me go get all this off my hands, curl my hair, whoop, 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 and I will be right back for you guys.
That's pretty much the Doja Cat look.
Hey!
Did a little peacock moment on the eye and a little mermaid moment on the hair.
Mermaid on the hair. Thank you, Doge. Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for my next video. If you guys would like to see another makeup kind of tutorial like this, then please let me know in my comments. But please like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in my next one.